Everyone, welcome to Rishab Informatica Group. Today we'll see how to install our app and enroll in our courses. So we have two methods to install our app. First, please go through the Google Play Store and type Rishab Informatica Group in your mobile. And you can install. Okay. So next, option 2 to install our app. Just simply go to the Google and type Rishab Informatica Group. Then you can go to our website, rishabinformaticagroup.com. So this is what our website. Simply you can click on that and you will find this page. There is an option to download app. Click on this download app and it will get okay. So it will get download and you can install it. Suppose if you are using iPhone or iOS, okay, you can give this organization code. So it may ask organization code. Organization code is ZFGHUT and proceed. This is your email ID and you can give the OTP, whatever you received for the email ID. Just type that OTP here. And you can verify OTP and you can type your name here. And phone number. You can select your phone number by typing your country code. Once you log in, it will show all the courses here. So you can choose whatever the course you want to buy, whatever the latest course, you can go and you can click on that particular course. Right? You can see the testimonials here, whatever our students, previous students, they given the testimonials. So how they got the benefit with our courses, everything you can see here. You can choose any one course and click on it. It will load. You can choose that and you can buy it. Okay. This is combo batch 8. So it is showing the price here. Click on that and you have all the options to select all the payment methods, net banking and UPI app, PhonePe, GPay, everything is there. Also, you can use the credit card also. So you can go through the payment, net banking, okay, or you can go through you can type our UPI ID also, or you can scan also. All the options is there. So it is processing to payment. Okay, you can pay like this. So you will get a message. Then after it will confirm the payment. Okay, it is confirming. You can pay through the Razorpay. Yes, after you paid, you will get this start learning. Okay. Once if you paid, you will find like this start learning. If you click on that, you can go through that and you can see the recordings and everything in that. And so you can go for other options also. Free material is there, student testimonial is there, edit profile is there. Okay. So free material, you can see all these free materials, videos, documents, okay, all these things. So a lot of good interview question and answers is there. Okay, thank you all. Please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.